in the most ordinary ways. I always stop and wonder what would have happened if I stayed. 'Cause without you, it's like the ocean, I'm drowning in every single wave. Yeah, without you, I've got no focus, I'm fighting to just get through the day. And I keep falling, 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 and deeper in every single way. Yeah, I keep falling, 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 but without you there's no escape. Yeah, without you.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So on today's video we're cleaning this Corolla. If you've watched the previous videos on car cleaning, we will be using the same basic products, basic cleaning, nothing crazy, so stay tuned. So we have everything we need here. This for the dashboard, we have the glass cleaner, tire shine, the wheel and tire cleaner, and the soap, and of course microfiber cloth.
And all this time without you, baby, I'm living in the past. 'Cause without you, it's like the ocean, I'm drowning in every single way. Yeah, without you, I've got no focus, I'm fighting to just get through the day. And I keep falling, 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 and deeper in every single way. Yeah, I keep falling, 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 and without you there's no escape. Yeah, without you. I keep falling, 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 and deeper in every single way. Yeah, I keep falling, 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 and without you there's no escape. Yeah, without you.
Round one done. We'll just dry it up and then move to the interior, and then we can finish up on the tires. Next thing we're doing is vacuuming the interior to go ahead and try and get rid of what you're seeing. It's not too bad, but the driver's side is the worst.
That's the way it goes.
We're done with the vacuuming. So next will be the seats and not the seats, the doors, the dash. Now we move on to the windows.
We will go.
Finally, we work on the tires.
Waiting for your storm to settle as I look toward the sea. Dust in your eyes like the water as the tide it consumes me. You would never save me if my walls came down. That is underwater, you would let me drown.
So we're done with the tires. Final thing would be to clean the inside. So every time before I trash my dirty rugs, I always use them. We can also wipe down the engine bay.
Steal my crown, choke me till I black out, put your hands around. Cut out my heart, I'm guilty. She said, worship me. I control the air you breathe. Worship me. My forgiveness set you free. Worship me. I control the air you breathe. Worship me. My forgiveness sets you free. Cast your sins away to Him. Go a garden safe from murder.
We are done. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.